Alright. I should be live now. Okay. Alright.
Oh shoot, I need to mute it in the background.
Okay.
There we go.
Alright, a little blunder already, but that's fine. That's fine. Hello everybody who ends up watching this. If you watch this, I know there's no one here yet, but whatever. But I am recording this too. There'll be a little highlight, I'm sure. But welcome to my cozy little, shoddily created, uh, have fun, making game place. Uh, I'm Marcy. Probably not a lot of you know me, but, yeah, I'm making a game. It's over on Steam. Uh, Let me get that pulled up. One little millisecond. I didn't think about doing this part. Steam. No, it's not showing up. No, okay. I guess I cannot show Steam. That's fine. Okay. Unless I do a little, just share my screen real quick. Just do a little show my screen. Yeah, so, is that working? It's not working. Excuse me? Oh, there we go. I didn't select the monitor. Okay. Yeah, so, this is my game. It's fun. It's Flammin Bingo. You can wishlist it now. It's on Steam. It features bingos, bosses to battle. There's a shop with many things. You can select your difficulty between each round to kind of tailor your gameplay. So if you're more risky, you can go for a harder difficulty. If your build's not looking too great, you can go for an easier one. And it's a roguelike. Try again over and over and over until eventually you just win. Yeah, they haven't released it yet. I need to push the release date back on Steam still, but boop, there we go. Got that over. That should be good. I think I'm the only viewer. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Guess I should actually get into some gameplay or gameplay to start with. Why not? Sorry if I sound very strange. I don't usually do streams at all. There we go. But yeah. Let me get the game running. This is my first stream in 4 years, so it's it's something, all right. All right, switch over to the game. Capture the window. There we go. Got it. There we go. And it's up. So yeah, this is my game. It's nice and simple. I don't have music yet. I will make that eventually. Got all sorts of themes. Love this one. It's my favorite one. Everyone else seems to think this is their favorite one, but that's fine. Got all sorts of themes. Just pick whatever you like. I'm going with that one. Got a couple of settings here that you can interact with. You can put it to full screen. You can change the volume. That that's very fun and all. But here's kind of how it goes. You pick a character. You got. Oh, I forgot. With this theme, you can't see it. You gotta change that. Oh, there is a cat trying to chew on my cords. Laney, sorry. Can't do that right now. Or ever. Please don't chew on my cords. Alright, but yeah. You just select a character and you go in. And you start playing. This is kind of the basic layout. You got your items over here. Or your lucky charms as I call them. You got your coins, how much it costs to call a number, how many free calls you got left, the round you're on. This is your goal here. So first round you gotta get 1 point. And how do you do that? Well, it's simple. You call numbers. First, I'm gonna make use of my items over here. So got a little lucky clover here. It just makes a number lucky. Gonna put that on 59 right there. And boom, it's there. You just click, and then you click. And it uses the item. And I also got a little lucky coin here. If I'm lucky, it'll get called. But I'm probably not going to be lucky. Then I just call a number using this button. And... oh god, okay, there we go. Got it. Sometimes you'll get lucky and get it first try. Other times, you'll be very, very unlucky. Then you'll just win the round. And you'll go to the little shop here, where you can buy new items. I really like the penguin. One of my favorites. I's and G's give +1 point. Very useful. Oh, there's a meatball there. Can't afford it, but it's there. Strawberry might be a little better than penguin right now, to be honest. I'll buy that. Basically, what the strawberry does is it slowly accumulates points. But it affects everything. So I exit. And then here's where the difficulty select is, by the way. You could choose easy. Your goal will be 1 again. But you're only going to get 9 coins when you win. For medium, you gotta get 2 points. A little harder there. But you're gonna get 14 points. And then for hard, you gotta get 3 points, and you'll get 23 coins. I definitely need to rework the scaling on that. Make that a little less, so it doesn't give as much. But that's for future me. Or this stream. Oh, right there. You see that? The lucky number triggered. So each time you call a number, you got a 1 in 4 chance of a lucky number being called, and then it'll pick a random lucky number. And in this case, it just happened to be 59. Oh, and it happened again. And now, there we go. Just gotta rely on good old luck. Ooh, fan. I like that. And now my strawberry is gonna give +1 point. It starts at 0, and then it slowly moves up. Meatball is very fun. I just wish I could afford it. Clock is not going to be useful right now. Oh, definitely that. Definitely want the hot dog too. I think I'm going to hold on to the rest of my money. And now you'll notice that your reward has gone up a little bit for each one. And also your goal has gone up a lot for each one. I'm going to go with hard still. Just because I like playing on the edge, you know. And now I've got a fan as well, which makes it so that I have a chance to mark extra numbers. And that's good. Oh, I had some weird visual tearing there for a second. That was weird. Okay. And now, the middle row right now, because of the hot dog, is worth 4 points each. Which is very good, because now I get to exceed the goal and get bonus coins. Yay. I definitely need to have a box here that tells you what your reward will be when you end. Could probably work on that today. Oh, and the strawberry, it increases by 0.5 each round, but then it rounds differently. Sometimes it'll round up, sometimes it'll round down. Oh my goodness, I just got a whole bunch of likes on my post there from Blue Sky. Well, hello, any viewers that are here. I don't know how many. I think it's still just me. Ah, well. That's fine. But, strawberry. Is up to 2 now. Next round it will still be 2. And then the next round after that it might still be 2. I don't really know. Poker chip is pretty good here. Let's see what the potato. Potato gives me a little bit of scaling. Ooh, another fan, definitely. And might as well take some popcorn. Just need 17 points. That'll get me up to it if I get close, but not quite there. Poker chip just triggered. That's another thing I need to add an effect for still. Is when the poker chip triggers. Ooh, just saw the fan trigger there. That's pretty good. So I got 2 numbers marked there. I'm just gonna use the popcorn to finish, so I can save a free call. That's okay. Another fan. Okay, sure, I'll take it. Another strawberry. If I get a dog now, that'll be extra good. A dog is basically something that eats food, and you get bonuses for it. I'll take the corn, sure. It's boss round. Yeah, every 5 rounds, you get a boss round. And this time, I have the judge. What the judge does is random numbers on your board will give negative point values instead. And then you just click in the box to acknowledge. I got a little lucky there. I only have 2 negative spots. It can go up to 6, I believe. Maybe more than that, even. Okay, so long as neither 17 or 75 are called, I'm good, though. Oh, this isn't looking good. Okay, okay. I can live this. Oh, God, that gave me the minimum. Well, I gotta sell the potato now. Oh, God. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose already. Cellophane. Oh, no. I'm gonna lose already. To the first boss. On my first stream. Oh, God. Oh, I won. Okay, okay. Well, and then you'll see here, since I won the boss round, I got 3 rares in my shop now. None of them are particularly useful right now, but I'll buy a gem box for later. Your first shop after a boss round will contain 3 rares. Oh, now I get the dog. Damn. Okay. Okay. And now difficulty starts to ramp up a little bit. I'm gonna go with that. Oh, I got a bingo. I got a bingo there. That's really good. Gave me extra points. So now I'm extra close to winning. Ah, damn it. Just sell a fan. There we go. Got it. Okay. Barely won that, but I won it. Oh, there's a gem. Now my mult is increased. So now my numbers are worth 8. This is very good. Very, very good. Basically, a gem box just gives me a mult for each gem I have, which you can see when you hover over each item. You can see a type. Currently, there are 4 types: basic, food, animal, and gem. I am thinking about adding more later, but that's for future me. certain I'll be living through this anyway, but I can try. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Okay. Not good. Yeah, lose. I'm just gonna fail. Alright. But yeah, that's kind of what my game's like. Let me get the stream back over to Game Maker. There we go. So yeah, that's my game. It's fun. Why isn't the... Okay, that was weird. The window wasn't aligned right. Okay. Yeah, my game is going crazy. But yeah, the game does have achievement integration with Steam, so currently there are 9 achievements. I'm gonna definitely add more. And I guess I should probably tell you some of the goals of the stream. So, definitely one of the main goals of the stream right now is to just kind of add something. I got a little checklist on my phone for various things that I'm working on right now. Let's add an item. Why not? Let's see. There we go. An item that adds 2 purple spaces each round. That'll be easy. That'll basically be the moss, but with purple. And also happens twice. Then I can go to my shop number calling. Don't really need difficulty, don't need the main menu open right now either. Items. Let's just... Oh, I'll need my script, my item description. Let me just go into this. So my next item. What do I name it? It'll be case 35, the 35th item in the game. I don't really know what to call it. Let's see. Could be an animal, maybe? No. A gem. Could be a gem. A gem would combo off pretty good with the gem box. Because what a purple space does is, as soon as the purple number is called, it will give double points, but then remove the purple from it. So if you double your points from having a purple space and you get malt and stuff, that would be pretty good. Amethyst. I think that's how you spell it. If not, I'll change it later. So the amethyst, I can just grab the moss and just copy and paste over. Oop, there we go. Grab that and put that there. The start of a round, a number 2. 2 numbers become purple. It'll be a gem. Passive and stackable, indeed. Return description. So, yeah. Basically, this is where all of the descriptions of all of my items are held, right here in this wonderful, wonderful function. It is called in exactly 2 places. But hey, I used to have all of this information separated out into both of those places, and I had to adjust it in both of them and it was a whole hassle. Alright, now I just gotta go do that thing where I put it in all the places. Yep, it is great. Now here I need to do amethyst. There we go. It's amethyst. What do I need? I think I need to change something here. I can't remember though. Nope, I don't. Okay, draw. There we go. I'm gonna make it uncommon. Uncommon's pretty good. Uncommon's the red one. Let's see. Don't got anything in here to worry about. Anything in here to worry about? I think there might be. Nope. Nothing in there either. Okay. Got it all figured out in there. Now I'm going to have to go to my control object. Scroll down to here. This is where the value of all my items is stored, and the rarity as well. Oh, whoops. Amethyst. Had some little comments there so I know which is which. How much should this be worth? I'm thinking a good old 16 coins. Rarity is 2, which means uncommon. Total items up to 35. And that's all I needed to do in there. Now I need to go to my shop items object. Go onto here. This is another thing. I could just have this be a global variable and it'd be way easier, but it's been so long I don't really care at this point. Amethyst. There we go. I go into somewhere. Here. I go into here. And I just go there. Oop. 35, uncommon, good. Go. I think that's it. I think. No, wait, rarity. Gotta go here. It's down here. Just copy, paste, case 35, amethyst. 1, 2. That's fine. 1, 2 is uncommon. A 2, 3 would be a rare, and a 0, 1 is a common. So now if I run the game real quick, let that start running soon. Get the gameplay capture going. Maybe. There it goes. Alright, there we go. So now I'll just go into here. Just do a little basic setup. It does not have a texture, so that's an issue. Oops. Oops, forgot to do that. I forgot about that. Give me one. Oh wait, it's just dark. There we go. Give me one quick second to open up Sprite. Sprite's the main program I've been using for all the textures. Where is... There. Open that. Just open something 16 by 16 just as a base. Rosy 42. That's my main color scheme. Alright. Let me capture a sprite real quick. Maybe it'll let me. Is it not gonna work? Okay, it doesn't want to work. That's okay. I'm very sorry, everyone. I am not used to. Oh, God. I cannot get it to record a sprite for some reason. That is very weird. Well, you'll just have to bear with me for a second while I draw an amethyst. I don't already have an amethyst, do I? I don't think I do. Oh god, I gotta check now. I might already have an amethyst and I just did not remember. A's, there are nothing starts with an A. Okay. Unless it's like the amethyst or something. No, I have a sapphire. Okay. Okay. All good, all good. Well, I open a sprite back up real quick. That looks, yeah, that's 16 by 16. All right. So amethyst will have some nice purple to it. Something like that, nice and wavy. Add some nice lighter purple. Like that. Y'all get to see a very beautiful amethyst once I'm done with it. Okay, just like that. That does not look like an amethyst. That looks like an eggplant. Okay. Interesting. Okay, now it kind of looks like an amethyst. Sprite size, put it back up to 32. Save as. Amethyst. Amethyst.png. Save that. Alright, back into GameMaker. There we go. Apologies that I could not get that to record. That is my bad. I am not used to this at all. Items, there we go. Edit image. So this is where all my items are stored. Right in here. It's wonderful. I know. Important image. Let's see. Flammin bingo. There we go. Amethyst. Open. So this is the amethyst I drew. Looks really bad, but I mean, have you seen my art style? I just kind of draw whatever looks close enough. Alright, so now it should appear. Should have a description, but it won't actually do anything. Just gotta go and start capturing that screen. Okay, there we go. Oop. And now there it is. Boom. Perfect. So, amethyst. At the start of a round, 2 numbers become purple. Gem. Boop. Done. And it works. I can bring it over, and it continues working. Good. That means everything is working just fine. And now that means that I can actually go in and add its effect. So I can do that by going to... Oh, shoot. Item? No, this would be... This be this, won't it? I forgot to condense all those. Yep, gotta condense these real quick. This is all the logic for my bingos, detecting if you have a bingo or not. I forgot to condense them down after I expanded them. Okay, so at the start of a round. Nope, it's not here. Yeah, it's not there. It's on the numbers. Oh, that's the wrong one. I need that one. Maybe it's on here. It wouldn't be in here, I don't think. I think it's going to be in the items object itself. Step event. I just need to figure out where I do the moss. Doesn't look like it's in here. Damn, where did I do it? Oh, wait, it's probably in the select button object. Here we go. Left released. Nope. Yep, there it is. The moss. Just take that. No. Item triggers. The moss. Copy. All of that. Go copy and paste. Amethyst. Item 35. Var available nuns. Let's see, is this 25? This here gets number of valid spaces. I should probably leave some more comments for myself in the future. Oh, whoops. There we go. And then doesn't really matter if I make that Z or not. Oh, well, maybe it does. No, it does. Okay. Prefix is 0, available nums plus plus, available nums greater than 0 for loop, while loop. Then I just want to do this twice. So loop end equals false, and then do that again. I just wanted to do it twice, and then the board effects for that number. I don't remember what it is. Not off the top of my head. I'll have to go into the left release here, scroll down to where. Alright, determine that. I think it's. Here we go. Alright, if. Oh man, sorry about that. I did just get off work. So I'm a little sleepy. Oh, you know what? It won't be here. It will be on the number itself in the left release here. Here we go. Purple. 3. 3 is the number for it. So I can go back to this. Yep. And I just put that at 3 and that at 3. And there we go. Amethyst fully implemented already. Just gotta go and test it. To do that, it's going to be shop. Let's go with the creation code on this one. Wait, what was the current ID? Yeah. Current ID equals 35. And go. Doesn't matter what character I select, because it will all be the same. Alright. Get the gameplay set up. Hello. There we go. Boom. There we go. Alright. Go into here, and I have an amethyst here. Let me just in the round. Oh, there's another one. I'll test it with 2. Why not? So now when I select it, it did not work. Shoot. Why did it not do anything? Why didn't it do anything? Exit. Okay. That's weird. Try again. Just one of them? Nope. Code is messed up then. Item triggers, here we go. I need to go to before this. Where is it? Okay. Well, this is awkward. Why does it work with the moss, but not with the amethyst? Change this to the moss. What is it? 26. Okay. Change that to 26. I'm going to close the game, reopen it. Hopefully it will just automatically start detecting it. Maybe it will. No, doesn't look like it. Come on, detect it. Come on, there we go. Okay. So now I start with the moss. Let me make sure the moss still works. Moss still works, okay. So the moss still works, but the amethyst does not work. But they're set up completely the same. Okay. This is the board effects to that number. Random number gets the board effect of. Oh, maybe in numbers it doesn't create. Maybe it's not creating the. Maybe it is working, but it's not just. But it's just not creating the purple icon. That could be what's happening. Ah, here we go. Yep. This is what I gotta do. So it is working, it's just I need to do that. purple object. There we go. Okay, and now I can run again. Oh yeah, I'll be streaming tomorrow as well, so just wanted to let y'all know. I will be posting the entirety of the stream onto my YouTube channel as well. You can find that over at youtube.com. And then my channel is still at Games Early Years, which is my old tag. I couldn't figure out how to change it, but whatever. My icons is Clippy right now, so there's that. I got one whole video of my Bricks and Blocks showcase. Oh god, 601 views on that. Okay. That's fine. That's completely fine. Yep. Oh, in my checklist, I gotta check off the item. Oh man, everyone is showing up to like my post on this guy now, but no one's showing up to the stream. Yeah, whatever. Who cares? Who cares? It's not like I'm trying to advertise my game or anything. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, so I have the amethyst. It should work now. I win, I exit the shop, I select it. Boom, it works. I got 2 purple spaces now, right there. Right there in there. I did not. Okay. Okay, let me display that. Shoot, I accidentally made this whole screen black. Okay. I will keep all of my blunders in the video. Don't worry. Don't worry, everyone. Every blunder will stay in the video, and I have a lot of blunders here. It's fine. I'm professional at this. Trust. You just gotta trust. Just gotta trust. But yeah, I have the amethyst here. It is starting with 1 coin as its sell value, but that is normal. Your starter items only sell for 1 coin. So I do that. Oh, an ace. That's actually kind of cool. Okay. And boom, got 2 purple spaces. 4 and 54 ended up being picked there, but that's fine. I finished that. Oh, I got another amethyst. I can't afford it unless I sell this. Boop. Do that. And now I have so many spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the correct amount that I should have, so it's working. I am very confused why it's going exactly like that. Oh, I won, and one of my purple spaces got called. That's good. Let me get a few things here, and oh man, so many purple spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to 8 of them now. And I've used 2 of them. Okay, maybe 3 of them. Okay, back to Game Maker. So within the Game Maker, I do need to still add it to the list of malts for the what's it called? The gem box. So when you get a number called, gotta go to the numbers, gotta go to the step event, if marked. Now I need to look for the gem box in here. There it is. Boop. Gotta go all the way to the end here. Control C, do an OR, Control V, and 35. And now it's added to the count for the gym. Since it's added there, that means the item is fully implemented, already done. See how quick and easy that is? Just to add a single item, it's been like, what, 25, 30 minutes? It's easy. It's easy to add an item, especially when it's almost identical to an existing item. Alright. Oh well. Ooh, I just got a notification that a game I've been looking forward to is out. It's called Bingo Betty. It is also a roguelike bingo game. I will say I started making my game before I discovered that, and also before I think it was announced. So that was fun. Let's see. I think next up I'm going to implement my next boss. My game is different enough though from it, so it's all good. Bingo Queen disables bingos and bonus bingos. So you can only gain points from your numbers being called, and you no longer gain points from bingos. That shouldn't be too difficult to add. Difficulty select, that'll take you to the bosses. Where do I have that at? It's down here. Boss screen object. Here we go. Let's see. So that's that one. That one. Okay, this is the. Yeah, so case 6. This is the bingo queen here. It's fine. Oh, and it goes up to 5 times for the one boss that I can't remember off the top of my head. So with that boss, when does it get chosen? I am blanking on when it gets chosen. Is it the exit button? No. Might be the end button. Wait. Control? Maybe? So when you reset everything, creates a new. Or maybe. I don't know. I'm a little tired. I might only stream for like an hour then. So I might only be streaming for another like 10 more minutes. I am very tired from work. It's fine. Not the call button. It'll be the end button. Left release. This is where all the achievements are determined. If it's a boss round, it does that. It's not a boss round, it does that. Okay. Must be difficult to select button that determines which boss it chooses. Yep. 1 to 6. Add 6 there. And then I need to go to the control object. And then I need to go to the step event here. And I need to put all of these into an if is boss is boss global, not I need to be global dot is boss round is false. Do this, all of this. Oh god, I can't. Where's the right button? There it is. So that should link up to that. Good. Boss round. If it is boss round and global dot current boss does not equal equal 6. There we go. And that works. That should work. So if your current boss is not 6 and it isn't a boss round, do this. So if it is a boss round, and the boss, wait, is not 6. No, is 6. Right? Trying to wrap my head around this low brain capacity. It's fine. It is a-okay. So, if it is currently a boss round, and the current boss is number 6, don't do this. Needs to be an and, though. Oh wait, no, that is do this. So yeah, I do need a not there. So if it is currently a boss round and it does not equal number 6, you do this. If it is a boss round and the current boss is number 6, so both of these will be reading incorrect, then it will do that. It's kind of hard to test it though. Oh, you know what? I forgot to go to my room and remove that. Boop. There we go. That's better. Ow. Cracked my back. Yeah. Bingo Queen should be added now as a boss. That should work. I do want to give myself infinite money real quick. And just test this to make sure. It's this. Right there. Just add a few zeros at the end of that. Launch the game. And once the game gets launched, I'll move it over to there real quick. Game. Capture the bingo. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Alright. So now I go in here. I have 150,000 coins, so let me just keep going until it gives me a bingo. It's not going to give me a bingo. It did not give me a bingo. That's fine. Okay. Just need 17 to be called now. Come on. If I get a bingo, it will come up with the bingo thing, and my points should go up a lot. Okay. It's fine. It's all okay. It is all good. All good. I just need a few more things. So Where's the lucky clovers? Come on. Give me... Okay, just buy all the moss, I guess, as well. There was a shop full of hot dogs for a second. Oh, that was a lucky clover. There we go. I don't want that. So, leftovers and moss. That's what I'm looking for. Eh, good enough. Now I have a shit ton of lucky stuff. Should be... There we go. Bingo still worked. Okay. Win the round. Blah, blah, blah. Win this round too real quick. Got a bingo there. Should get another bingo there. Very good. Got 33 points out of that too. Nice. Let's just get a few things just to make sure that everything's going great. Wrong boss, but that's fine. Went around, get another one of those, why not? Buy that just so I can unlock that bingo in particular. There we go. It's 2 7-sided dice. That's pretty cool. I like that. Okay. Meatball. Meatball and the sapphire kind of do a little combo together. Okay. It's basically double the amount of free calls you have with the meatball, and the sapphire gives you malt for each free call you have. It's very nice. Very good combo. Maybe I can get another one? No, probably not. Another one of those is fine. So now I have 16 malt. Let me double my free calls. Now I have 31 malt. 190 points from that. Also, everything is... Oh, shoot, I just realized something. I don't think I have it set up right in the difficulty select button for these. It keeps looping endlessly. I need to add a case. Wait, no, it should work. It checks to make sure that the available nums is greater than 0 first. Okay, it should work just fine. Oh, but... that's... okay. Just switch back to GameMaker Cube. So what I'm realizing now is for the amethyst, I'm going to need to add an additional case here, right here. Into this while loop for if available nums is 0, it breaks. Okay, that was not what I wanted. It breaks the loop. And equals true. So basically, I'll go here. Available nums minus equals 1. And then here, I'll need to do the same thing. Available nums minus equals 1. There we go. And then up here, I'll need to add that to the moss as well, just to make sure. Oh, oops, I forgot to do that. If available nums is 0, loop end equals true. Just so that I have a little break in it, just in case. I will return to the gameplay right now. There we go. I'm going to sell the moss right now, since I don't need it anymore, since everything is lucky. Yay me. There we go. Oh, another meatball. Oof. What was I testing for again? God, my brain is not working. I should probably end stream. Well, my brain is not functional. Here. Oh yeah, boss. I was testing the boss. Oh hey. Let me throw that out there. Why not? Sure, I'll take another sapphire. Judge. Okay. It's always the judge. Oh shit. That's an endless loop that I just ran into. Okay, I have a loop somewhere in my code that is not closed properly. That's good to know. I have a bug I need to fix. That's always fun. Okay. So time ran into. Okay. So with my end button, I ran into an endless loop somehow. I'm gonna have to fix that. But I think I'm gonna end stream here. I am very tired. I need to get to bed, like, now. 'Cause I gotta work tomorrow still. So, I hope anyone who tuned in enjoyed. If you're watching on YouTube, thank you very much. And wishlist my game, please. Thank you. I hope you all have a very wonderful day. So, goodbye for now.